This coins I want to sell. This is Saudi Arabia completed, and Bahrain also complete. This is Kuwait and United Arab Emirates not complete, but as you can see in AB, mostly this is I will check. I will post later. Mostly one piece is $1 in AB.com. So this is also very new, very nice. Bimetal, I think. Very nice color. This is 2 riyals. 100 fils from Bahrain. This is 100 fils Kuwait and 1 dirhams United Arab Emirates. So I want to sell this one, or maybe I don't know, maybe $10 total.